get to it. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another morning broadcast. We are live now, and I haven't taken anything yet this morning. Interesting start to the morning. I think I got a little spoiled. Yesterday with LIDR, great catalyst, and that catalyst sent us, sent the stock flying. So for this morning, we are going to run through my game plan, what I'm looking at, and we'll get right into the big picture first. So I think that what we can do is, I think since I don't have anything ready on the board, we'll go ahead and jump into big picture. I was looking at a few things that were looking at something that was moving, but it's not quite ready yet. So we'll see. All right. So if this is your first time, please, if you enjoy the stream, please like and subscribe. We've been together since January, and if you're on IG or Twitter, we just added those. So if you want to see the big picture or the full resolution version, you can join us on YouTube. All right. Thank you all for joining. And if you have a question or stock that you want me to take a look at, let me know, and I'll do just that. So for those that have been on, let me know if you see something pop up on the scan as we're talking, and I'll get to it. If we have something active while we're on the call, we'll trade it. If not, we'll just get started, get ready for the market open. Okay. So I'm gonna keep ICCM here. I think this one just popped up on the scan, and let me check out Catalyst. Look at the higher time frame real quick, and let's see what's going on. Okay, this one's just been pretty much sideways. Looks like it's already shortened right now. Let's see if there's a catalyst. One day, shareholders upcoming expiration. Yeah, doesn't look like anything interesting right now, so I think I'm gonna move on. I'll keep it on my other screen, my other monitor. All right, so let's talk big picture. So just for the last week or so, starting Monday, it's been the same narrative. The market has shaken off tariffs and trade war, the gloom and the doom from that, and the market has been bullish. Tech has been strong. AI earnings have been pretty decent. So as of right now, we're bullish. Any dips right now, we can look to buy at this moment. If we look at the market drivers like NVIDIA, Google just had strong earnings that came out, pulled back. So the market is overall bullish. So we've been paying attention to and trading, those market drivers, but we've also been looking at AI names, tech names, small caps, mid caps that move along with them as well. Okay, ICCM actually, let me look at what's going on here on the tape, because this one actually is moving. And did y'all see a catalyst for this one? Let me pull up the comments. Yeah, I think for now I'll pass on this one because uh, I didn't see a catalyst, so I don't wanna hop in a pump and dump. All right, so yeah, so give me a little bit of time on that one. Even though the buyers, they look pretty strong, but if I zoom out for a second, look at what it's been doing. It's just been sideways. So mark up some levels here, and yeah. So it popped on no news. Maybe pump and dump, something going on in the chat room or so, something like that. Yeah. All right. So yeah. So we'll move on from that one. All right. Yeah. So overall, indices bullish. Market has been bullish. So we've just been in a range for a few days here. Just bumping against the same resistance level. So with that being said, looking at the market drivers, NVIDIA and such, and we'll look at individual stocks. So the pre-market this morning, it was okay. PHIO, it popped, gave us a squeeze, momentum play here, and then it shorted. HTOO, something similar here, pushed, momentum scalps, and then shorted. MCVT, all the same, momentum squeeze. We had absorption happening on the level 2. You can see here as it was squeezing up, because if you notice, if you look at what was happening, we had a lot of aggressive selling. We had divergence. We had a lot of aggressive selling here. You see that the selling was more aggressive, but price was moving up because there was a buyer there just kind of walking up price, and then it broke out, and then it shorted off. So we had a bunch of that happening this morning. Just quick momentum scalps here on 3 different tickers, but nothing to really just break out just yet. So let's look at bigger picture names right now, and we'll walk through that real quick. All right, here we go. Okay, so if we look at the basket, still monitoring some that ran yesterday. So LIDR here, this one was one of the best trades of the day yesterday. It actually started to rally this morning in the pre-market, and then it started to short off. So I have alarm set here to see if it reclaims VWAP. If it does, then we may get active with it. If not, then we won't do anything there. Let me check the comments real quick. Good morning, breast cancer promising clinical data. What's up with MCVT? The market is crazy today. Yeah, yeah. What is the green band on the chart? Looks like my is the chart moving for y'all? Those that are on YouTube, I think the on YouTube, or is the chart moving? Screen is frozen. Shut up. No Zoom today? Yeah, I'm on Zoom. I'm actually on Zoom. So yeah, it's others on Zoom as well. Like if you're in the community, go to yesterday's link. If you don't see one for today, go to yesterday's link. So screen is frozen. All right, let me see what's up on YouTube. Every so often, this thing, we got some problems on I got you. One second. Let me see what's up. Yeah. Weird. It's weird. I swear, sometimes this technology is really janky. It gets really janky. All right, let me fix this real quick. Yeah. All right, 1 second. 1 second. I'm gonna drop this down real quick, and all right, let me see what's up. See if I can fix this. Ah, there we go. Okay, we're back. We're back. We got it. All right. So I appreciate y'all. You know, this streaming every day. Every so often we have issues with the tech. Okay. So yeah, LIDR. That one is on the list. Reactive trade. See if it reclaims VWAP. It ran up on an announcement that its tech was integrated with, I think it was NVIDIA. Yeah, with NVIDIA. So that one can be a multi-day runner. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on it. Okay. All right. So then I'm still looking at the basket. This MVTS, that one ran up yesterday, but it's riding right up against resistance. It keeps hitting this resistance level here at 920, 917-ish. So we'll see if it breaks up again or not. I'm keeping my eye on, you know, the SoFis, BVAIs, that basket. I'm trying to see what, you know, if anything's gonna happen on those or not. So just kind of keeping my eye on that. Also quantum. So quantum is riding up against resistance. We have something that keeps pushing up against resistance. If it finally breaks out, then it could be a great sign. So looking at QBTS had its own catalyst analyst upgrade the other day, and it paid us out. So I'll be watching those as well. Okay. All right. So we talked to FFAI, not yet. Okay. So FFAI, we took this as well on the call yesterday. This one ran up Tuesday, shorted, and then it broke Wednesday's high of day yesterday, and it gave a good momentum play here at the open, shot up, pulled back, and kept going. Shorted off, and then now it's maybe making another leg up again. So it's in the yesterday's range, right? So we'll see if we get another leg higher on Faraday. So that one is of interest there. I've already took this one, UAVS, off. And yeah, I have a few others that are on the back burner, but those are the main. And then I have one more that I am going to cover here. Then I'm going to check the I think somebody dropped me that catalyst on, was it ICCM? I appreciate y'all. That's a big help. ICE Cures Pros featured at Japanese Breast Cancer Society conference. Updated positive clinical data shows 99% recurrence. Okay, I see. All right, cool. All right, cool. Thank you. I'm glad I didn't see that catalyst. All right, one more fresh news name, Coursera. Coursera earnings play popped up post-market, so we'll see if we get a breakout here. The revenue increased. So this one's still fairly, I love the earnings plays. These earning plays, they're good. opening range drive setups. So gapped up, and we'll see what happens on it. Okay. All right. Let me check the comments to see what you all have, and we will wrap up. So MCVT. Yep, I talked about that one. What is the green band on the chart? This right here is the cumulative volume delta. If that's what you're talking about, I'm not sure. Let me know. OCTO. Yeah, this was another one. There's a quick scalp on this one. 1 minute here. Price, it was ranging, squeezed out, pulled back, another little quick scalp. You know, like C level trades on that one. It was just stuck within this range, so nothing there yet. You see I have alarms here, and I'm gonna set alarms on VWAP, crossing the VWAP, so we'll see what we get there. And let's see, you think LHAI will give us a play in open market? Let me look at it again. I know when I was looking at it earlier, was they IPO'd? Let me check the stats on it real quick. All right, so let's see, ICCM. Yeah, thanks Ali, I appreciate that. I am the new starter of stock from transition of futures and Forex. May I know about one thing, sir? During pre-market, limit order type only work. Can I use market order type? Does market order only work during? Yes, you have to use limit orders. But most brokers have, they have you can program where you do a limit order using buy the ask or buy the bid, and what they'll do is they'll set the limit order for you you can set it at, like, if you program buy the ask, you set the limit slightly above where the price is, so you get you get pinged in, right? So that's the way to do it. But yeah, you can't use market orders. GSIW. Okay. What happened with this one? Dang. What happened to this one, bro? Jay? Man, thing tank. Oh, okay, yeah. I see. All right, let me check on the scan. Yeah. Dilution. That's why it's dropping. Bad margins. Man, the analysts, they targeted OKLO to be downgraded. Crazy. Yeah, I haven't been touching energy, but energy's been running too. Okay, all right. So I think what is the settings of VWAP? VWAP I have here is just the out of the box VWAP. I took off the bands, so if you click on, if you set it from TradingView, it comes with the bands already on, and I disabled those bands. I just noticed that my main mic is not plugged up, so I'm glad y'all can hear me. You're good though. Okay, all right, y'all. Yeah, so I appreciate y'all. We are on it. HCTI. All right, I'll take a look at that one. And wa alaikum assalam. Ali FX. Why didn't I see this one? Oh, it was below my. Yeah, I'm typically not trading. Stocks don't pop up on my scanner unless they're above 50 cents. So normally these are crap companies, and I'm normally going long. So do we have a catalyst on this? I could change everything. HCTI. Let's see what's the catalyst. Let me check the comments on IG. Welcome, welcome. If you're joining from IG and this is your first time, if you want to catch the full screen version, we're on YouTube. So welcome everybody. Yeah, I don't see a catalyst for HCTI. I do see it rising, but this thing is typically these stocks that are under, I mean, this is under 10 cents. So yeah. All right, do you have a trial period for a live streaming? I actually don't. But if you join us every day and look at the stocks that we pick out, you'll see that our game plan is pretty fire. It's not just myself. It's our pod. We have a good trading pod. Everybody support each other. Everybody's supporting each other well. So sometimes we're on call. Somebody drops something that I'm not looking at, and we just all trade it because, like Kohl's the other day. So Kohl's ran up on a meme play. Then it ran up yesterday while we were on our call. So we traded it and open as well. But I'd be careful with Kohl's. We may be looking at it. I look at it for a short squeeze because I know everybody's going to be trying to short it. Just be careful because there's nothing really holding this stock up, like no real fundamentals behind it. Yep, American Eagle, that dropped off as well. VLCN, Premier, what's happening with this one? Sold very short-term put contracts, getting opportunities. This one must have just popped up on the scan. Let's look at the big picture real quick. Okay, LHAI is getting busy. All right, so yeah, this is a resistance level here, and Volcon, after it ran up, it's just been trending down. So let's see. Is LIDR still in play? I'm watching it. It's on my list. Initiate strategic Bitcoin treasury program, expand share repurchase authorization to 100 million. Okay. Interesting. All right, yeah, let's watch it. Bitcoin treasury press releases have been pushing these stocks up. So we'll see. I have some alarms set here. All right, so we have about 5 minutes until the open. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. So y'all have a great day today. Just finish out the week strong. Follow your game plan. Don't go on tilt if you take losses. Losses are just fees that we pay to get into the market. If you show up every day and find the variables that you need to tweak, and you just do that over time, getting 1% better, eventually you'll hit your goals, okay? All right, I appreciate y'all for joining me. Hope y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later, okay? All right, thanks y'all. If you're on the Zoom, stay on.